get the maximum amount that you can get for yourself, because like you never know. So this is now a race against time. I always tell this, because what if I was just late, you know, taking my own policy? What if I didn't get that policy? Then it would have been a tragedy, you know, a new immigrant with a new husband. And thank God that it was the living benefits that saved me. And I can never thank National Life and PFA for this. And we are now, you know, we should tell this to as many people as possible. So join us. Don't leave not signing up tonight, because we need people here in Houston, and we need to tell this to as many people as possible. So thank you.
Thank you. And then accumulating wealth. Okay. Quick.